Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go over how to create a print-on-demand design with only your tablet or mobile device. And this is something that I did quite often when I first began my Etsy plus print-on-demand store. I created most of my listings on Etsy through my phone, and I would create hundreds of designs just maybe when I was on break at work, or maybe when I was waiting at the doctor's office. That's when I would just create a bunch of designs with my free time that I had, just kind of bored and needing something to do. So hopefully this tutorial will help you guys in creating designs on the go. And guys, before you click off the video, I wanted to make a special announcement. So this video is sponsored by Creative Fabrica, and today we are giving away a 10.2-inch iPad that you guys can enter in to win by doing 3 simple steps. The first step of the process is you are going to go to the links in the description and download the cute Rita font. You will have to create a Creative Fabrica account, and you can get a $1 30-day subscription of the full access trial for Creative Fabrica, where you can download as many fonts and graphics as you would like for your first month with Creative Fabrica. You guys can get that all down below by using my affiliate links. So the second step to the process on entering into this giveaway is you must comment on the page and the link that you see in the description. You have to create an account to put a comment on this specific font. In the comment section of the font, you are going to mention what you want to do with this font. For example, what I would write in the comment section is, I am so excited to create a t-shirt with this cute font. And this is just an example of what you would do with this font once you download it. You're going to review the font, put a comment, and that is the second part that will enter you into this giveaway. The third part to enter you into the giveaway is you will have to like this video, comment down below. You can comment really anything, what you are excited for if you won the iPad, for example, or maybe a video suggestion that you would like to see from me in the future. Just comment really anything in the comments below. Then that will enter you into this giveaway, and we will contact you within the next week through your email that you signed up with Creative Fabrica. So don't forget to create that account with Creative Fabrica. Go to that website I have linked down below and put a comment for that cute Rita font, and you will have a chance to win a iPad, guys. This is like the most awesome giveaway I have ever had. So don't forget to enter into this giveaway, and we are going to get into this video on how to create your design for your print-on-demand product with only a mobile device or a tablet, guys. The disclaimer I must give for this video is that this giveaway is with Creative Fabrica and is not affiliated with Apple. Apple products are not affiliated with this giveaway at all, but in choosing the products that I wanted to give away to my subscribers and followers, I thought the iPad would be the best item to give away. So again, this is not affiliated with Apple. This is completely a partnership and promotion with Creative Fabrica, who is giving away this iPad for free to my subscribers, which is you guys. Again, don't forget to enter into this giveaway. This is one of my biggest giveaways yet, and I am so excited for anyone who enters in and has the chance to create their own designs on their mobile devices and maybe a tablet if you win this giveaway. Besides that, guys, we're gonna get right into this video here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I would create that item on my tablet. Alrighty guys, so I have my iPad here. We are just gonna open it up and get to designing here. So first of all, I'm going to start my screen recording because that would be important to show you guys what I'm looking at here. I do use the Apple Pencil. For the giveaway, it does not include the Apple Pencil, but I would suggest maybe getting an Apple Pencil if you guys really want to seriously design on your iPad. There's apps like Procreate you can use to kind of make your own designs. But what's really nice about Creative Fabrica is they have all of these graphics, SVGs, and templates already pre-made. So that's what I really love about Creative Fabrica. And also their $1 all access trial really gives you all of the different graphics that you can use in your print-on-demand items, and you have a full use commercial license with that. One of the things that I want to mention is with print-on-demand, if you're creating designs for print-on-demand products specifically, you need a print-on-demand license, and that's something that Creative Fabrica has specifically created a category for. So on the tablet on their mobile site, if you go to just print on demand area here, you will see a plethora of different SVGs, templates, and fonts that you guys can easily use for your next print-on-demand designs. And this is what's really nice about Creative Fabrica that I love. And even the grandmother niche, you can kind of find a sublimation bundle. And it's really as easy as just clicking on download. And as you guys can see, there's commercial and full print-on-demand usage allowed for this. So we are just going to download this, and we're gonna bring it over to Canva and create our designs with that. So besides that, I am gonna look at the other graphics that we have access to. What's really cute right now is the flower with inspirational quotes, and as I can see again, it says commercial and full print-on-demand usage allowed. So that's something that I'm always looking for when I'm creating my own designs. So I'm gonna download that one as well because I think that's super cute too. So now we're gonna hop on to Canva and use these specific types of SVGs to just create our print-on-demand items. It's really easy with Creative Fabrica, and they already have the designs done for you. All you have to do is put it on a product, upload that to Etsy, and create the product listing for that. So that's what makes Creative Fabrica so easy. Even if we just wanted to use specific graphics in our designs, it's really that easy to do. So guys, we're gonna hop on now to Canva and we're gonna get to creating our items. So what we wanna do is we want to upload those graphics we just downloaded into the application. So on my iPad, I have the flower with inspirational quote bundle pulled up. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to save image, and I'm gonna do that with my other ones as well that we found here. So I'm just going to save 2 of them for now, and we will go back later for the other ones. This is a super cute one, so we will do that. Okay, and then next we are going to go to Canva and we're going to upload our media. So I'm just adding over these new graphics we have, and I am just going to add these in as we go. It's as simple as just clicking on that new graphic that we downloaded. So guys, these are templates that are already done for you. So all we need for these is just to upload our mock-up images that you can purchase either on Creative Fabrica. You can find mock-up images on Etsy. That's where I generally buy a lot of my mock-up images. But all we need to do now is just upload those mock-up images in there, and we can just put our new SVG templates over that. So again, I'm just uploading what I have for mock-ups. This mock-up specifically is from Dolly Mocks. I'm going to send the position backwards. And then after that, we're just gonna take that SVG and design and just fit it to our mock-up. And I'm gonna take the transparency down quite a bit just because this specific mock-up is very light. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to copy, and I'm gonna hold down just to paste. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm gonna rotate it just slightly to really fit it on my mock-up. And then we're gonna take down the transparency again. And then guys, that's literally it, because Creative Fabrica has already done for you templates. So if you're not good at designing, this is the easiest way that you guys can create products for print on demand on your Etsy stores very seamlessly and very easy. And that's what's so nice about this type of subscription, because a lot of commercial use licenses, especially for print on demand graphics, can cost you up to $20 plus per graphic bundle that you purchase. And once the $1 Creative Fabrica all access trial expires, it's only $19 a month. And again, for one bundle like this, that would be $20 on its own plus. So you're really making back that amount that you would have spent individually per graphic with Creative Fabrica. And that's what's really great about this trial. So this is how I would create designs if I were just going to take the SVG templates that I want and put them onto Etsy. However, if I wanted to create my own design, I'm going to show you guys how I would do that as well. So again, I'm going to create a design, and usually my custom sizing, I do 3000 by 3000 because I can kind of edit how the dimensions are later with that. So we're going to go back to Creative Fabrica. So under the print on demand area for Creative Fabrica, I'm going to find something else that I can kind of edit and put into a design here. With Creative Fabrica, you can use all their fonts to be sold on print on demand. This is said just in this fonts area here. And what I really like about these fonts is the could be font. So I think we're going to download that and upload that into Canva so we can use it just to create a cute little design. And then I'm also going to look up some B graphics that we can do as well. So this B graphic specifically is for commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. So we're going to download that. And then again, we're going to take it to Canva, and that's how we will create this specific design for bees, especially since it's coming summertime. I think these would be really cute graphics and fonts to use. So now we're back on Canva, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload those again. So when you're uploading text on Canva, it's really easy to do, and all you have to do is click down at the lower left hand side and click on upload font, and then you're going to select upload font again. We're going to go to downloads, and then we'll click on the OTF file. So this is where it will ask on Canva, please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I could be or have the right. So this is what's important in Canva, is it does ask you if you do own the rights to the font, and we do because we have that Creative Fabrica license. So we're gonna hit yes, upload anyways, and then it takes a moment to upload the files, and then we will just select that could be, then I will minimize that. So now we have the font, and I'm going to increase how large this font is. We might do 300. And then I might just put a common phrase I've seen on Etsy, which might be something. So I might take off the something, and I'm gonna increase this quite a bit. And then what I'm gonna do as well is I am going to get that graphic of the bee up here again. Again, we're gonna save the image. Then I'm gonna upload it to Canva. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this a little bit tinier. One of the most popular designs I've seen as far as bees go has been the Be Something t-shirts. Now, I will say if you're going into more of the bee t-shirts or bee quotes, definitely make sure you're searching up all of your trademarks on USPTO before doing so. Usually be kind is a trademarked phrase that you cannot use as far as that goes. So that's something to be very careful of. Honestly, I should make this be careful of trademarks. We won't do that today because I'm not feeling that geeky, but we are going to make this just a Be Something t-shirt. So for the other text, I am just going to create a different type of text. So I'm going to create a just something underneath that. So we'll do something. And then again, I'm just going to maximize the font size here, and we're going to change it into a different font. So I really love the Brittany font right now. I think it's a super cute font. So we'll do this, and then we're gonna kind of play around with the different, so I think what I'm gonna do, I think it's a little bit overkill with my graphic and also the bees, so I'm gonna just delete that graphic. And then I am just going to make this kind of like an orangey color, and I will increase this quite a bit. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to make this all centered. So what I'm looking for when I'm centering is I'm just looking for the purple lines to kind of intersect. I was struggling for a second. So I have this thought to kind of reverse the colors here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the B into that orange, and usually when that prints on t-shirts, it looks more of a yellow pigment from my experience with print on demand. So instead I'm gonna make this something black, and that's it. That's gonna be it for this design. So I'm going to save this as a transparent PNG, and then we're gonna take that again to our mockup. So I'm gonna save as transparent background. I'm gonna increase our size to 4,500 by 4,500 to increase that resolution on our specific design. After I'm done downloading that design, what I'm gonna do next is I will add in one more page on this design, and then I'm going to upload that same mock-up we had earlier. So now I'm gonna go back to the other project that we were working on, and we're gonna pull that back up. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate it again, and then I'm gonna delete that other SVG, and we're gonna upload that other mock-up we had earlier. So here's that same mock-up we had earlier, and then I am also going to upload that design we just made. So again, I'm just minimizing, rotating so it looks correct on our mock-up, and then I'm gonna edit the transparency so it looks realistic to how the design will look once it's printed on our t-shirt and packed and shipped to our customer. That is the complete end result of this print-on-demand designing and how I would upload onto a mock-up. This is essentially what I would do on my phone, on my tablet, if I were on the go, maybe I'm on the plane, maybe on a long road trip. This is how I would design all of my items, how I would put it on a mock-up on the go, and then I would download that, upload it to Etsy, and it's really that easy, especially with Creative Fabrica and all of these different designs that you can create with Creative Fabrica. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and hopefully it helped those of you who only have a mobile device or a tablet to create designs on. It's very easy to do with Creative Fabrica. Don't forget to get that $1 all access trial in the link in the description. That's 30 days for $1. You have access to all of these print-on-demand commercial use licensed graphics and fonts. I can't recommend them enough. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below if any video suggestions that you want to see in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video here. So with Creative Fabrica, sorry, cut the last part I had in there, that was wrong. I'm gonna pull up my keyboard if it wants to work today.